Okay, team. So today I'm going to be giving a little quick video on how to use the MOS Smart-Book qualification database. So here is the PowerPoint. It's pretty much self-explanatory. I'm gonna go over the PowerPoint and then I'll go over the actual database. So in here where it says the soldier information, you're gonna input if the soldier has a driver's license, does it have a clearance, and then what is their line scores for the soldier's GT score, etc., and then the pull he's vision and their physical rating, what they have right now. Based on that information, then once you input the information, then the rest of the database is gonna do their magic, and it will tell you what MOS is a soldier qualified. Remember, it's all based on the soldier's information that is going to tell you. Everything needs to be filled out in order to the system to work. If not, if you have one missing thing, it's not going to work. Here's the little legend of what each thing means. So home, let's say I'm taking you back to the home page, you clear is going to clear pretty much the data of the soldier's information, and then you click print, it's going to print it so you can give it to the soldier. The only thing you guys are allowed to update, which is not locked, everything else is locked, just so we don't play with the formulas and, where the magic happens for all this to happen is, this is the stuff you can change, which is 6 things. The driver's license, you can go in here and actually remove the yes or add a yes. The clearance, you can go and actually change that. Let's say like that 9 Lima, you can change it to a none, but it requires a sticker right now. The line scores. So if they're highlighting in green, that means that they're required. Let's say if for 11 Bravo under the CO, it changes to an 86. You can go ahead and input 86 in that particular cell, or if it updates and goes to 100, you can go ahead and update it to 100. Same thing with the pull he's. This is what is required right now, but then if it updates, you can change it yourself. And then the vision, and then the physical rating. Those are the only 6 things you can update. If not, you're going to have, as of right now, everything is good. I verified it. But if there's any updates, you guys can do it on your own. You don't have to wait for myself to actually update the whole database and put it into a folder, or however we're going to decide to do this stuff to upload them. And then if you need any type of assistance, here's my email. And then you can email me. If you have a number, you can call me, and I can walk you through how to set it up or how it works. So let's go ahead and jump into it, how it works. So here's the actual database. You click on the MOS, and here is the actual database. So we're going to go ahead and input the information. So here's a drop down. You click yes. So I'm gonna say I'm making up a soldier. The soldier has secret clearance. Then GT is 100, GM is 100, electrical 100. So I'm gonna put everything to be 100. And my pull head is gonna be 1 across. And then my vision, I'm gonna say soldier has a normal color vision. And you see how nothing has been changed. Once I input here saying that moderate, boom, everything's going to tell you. So it's going to tell you if the soldier is qualified or not. So let's say if I change this to heavy, then it's going to update significant, and then I can change this to, let's say, a 0, and it's going to change. So everything has to be filled out and it'll work. Now, let's say, for instance, this is required a 100 on the GT score for, let's say, the diver. So I'll say I don't qualify because I don't have the GT. What about if I change this to a 100? I still don't qualify because the ST is 100. So let me go and change it here. So why is it that I still don't qualify? Well, because you need normal color vision, but you need heavy. So let me go ahead and change this to heavy. Boom, now I'm gonna qualify for it. So all those stuff you can actually update them yourself. Really, this was 106 and then 107, I think. But you can change all this. Anything else after here is not going to let you because it's protected, just so we don't damage the actual database. And that's really it. That's all you do. Everything else, it can update. So now what you do, if you want to get to the Soldier, just go ahead and hit print, and it's going to print out in a nice little beautiful page, and then you just give it to the Soldier and tell them what they qualify and why not. And that's it. Remember, I'm just helping you out on the line scores. Now you still got to do the job on the strength. Make sure that they qualify based on the strength of the MOSs that they're trying to reclass to. And I mean, that's really it. That's all you need to know. If you want to start a new fresh with a new Soldier, just click clear, and then everything gets cleared out, and then I just input the information, and that'll be it. Hope you enjoy this database, and it'll be nice and easy for you to use when you're trying to reclass somebody. Alrighty, that's all I got.